Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I have the new laptop. It is the Lenovo Thinkpad E16 Gen 2, and this one comes with the Intel Core Ultra 5, yes, with the 16GB RAM and 512GB SSD. It is good and it's running fast. So if you guys want the laptop for work, daily tasks, or college student want a laptop that can do daily tasks, I think this one is a great one. Yeah, that's a cool one. As you can see on the design and the material, it is plastic, but you know what? It's lightweight and it feels steady. Oh wow, that's cool. For the screen display, it is a 16-inch WUHGA, so you can see clearly on the video the image on the laptop. Yeah. How about a portable guy? Here we have the two USB-C, USB-A, HDMI, and audio port. I think this is cool, It's already good for connectivity, so you can connect to any device that you want to connect. And here it has the USB-A and networking port. Okay guys, I like it. Okay, so right now let me show you some video on this laptop so you can see it clearly. How does it look like when you see it at the front side or even the view angle? Yes. Okay guys, it's so good. Okay, so this is my review and first impression on the Lenovo Thinkpad E16 Gen 2. So guys, if you have any comment, you can ask me or let me know. And thank you for watching. See you next time.